let's go!
12 seconds later.
Suppress, suppress, suppress! Oh, shoot.
You've got mail.
Ow. The immersions, the realism, the pain. Oh, we've got the hot dog!
Alright guys, welcome back to Dragon Army Airsoft, and we're back in Iowa with 0 rules and cold, freezing rain. I'll be playing with several guns today, so enjoy watching us run around with the freezing cold while shooting each other with toy guns. Let's get started.
We'll know when we shoot them. Ready? Yeah. Move up, move up. I gotta reload. Happy battlefield noises. Okay, come on. How did I not hit you? Let's push this one. Let's push this one. Oh, I think I just got hit. Oh, now you hit me. Whee! I finally got you, Parker! What? Flushy, let's go! Oh, hit! This shall know the power of the speed soft. Speed soft! Can you watch my right side? I'm gonna rush him. Hit! That's just great. Hit! Oh, Oh no! Oh no! Oh, my HPA! I gotta go.
That's not scary at all.
Hit.
This game, me, Solus, and Andrew are forming a shield team to help us advance across the open terrain. If we use the shield right, we should be able to get across the open and take out the enemy team.
All right.
Where are we going, Clancy? We're going this way. Okay. Whoa!
Come back. Medic me.
You get hit? Or you get me? Alright, let's go. Are they even allowed to go that far? Yeah.
Let's shift back over there. Let's move. Shield! Let's get the shield up here! Shield over here. Clancy, get up here. We need to take them out. Hit!
I got you. Go. You go shield.
You think we can?
Shield, get up and walk.
Let's move. Down.
Go tire.
Go to the tire. Move up. Kneel down.
Somebody shoot eyes.
Got him. Let's push. Let's push.
Line him up.
Watch the silos! I ain't got air. Let's advance.
We're gonna have to swing wide. Red.
I'm out. You take him. Can I borrow your gun? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for finally calling it. All right, if we're gonna do it, we gotta do it. Let's go. The immersions!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Reloading. The immersions! Changing. Moving. Hit.
Congratulations, you're a Russian now.
Ow! Where are the women and children?
What?
Where are the prisoners?
You know what? With my dying breath.
I'm bleeding out.
Oh, Dad.
I'm spurting out blood out of my neck.
Oh.
You're very heavy.
I'm sorry. I'll get off.
You're a weighted blanket.
Caution!
Wagon, bend gear, take up the curb.
Is friendly fire on?
I got happy switch. I got happy switch.
You on? Oh, come on.